Mahindra has finally announced the complete variant lineup and prices of the XUV700 flagship SUV. Mahindra will also officially commence the bookings for the XUV700 from October 7th. The company also clears that deliveries of the petrol variants will commence before the diesel. Let's have a detailed look at the variants lineup and the features it offers the price based on.